Today, I'm going to show you how you can keep moving even though you're injured. I injured my shoulder the other day, a very common shoulder injury. It hurts when I go into flexion, it hurts when I go into abduction, and internally rotating. So we're going to use pain as our guide as we go through our shoulder CAR. The last thing that you want to do is stop moving when you're injured. We're going to start with the arms straight, bicep pointed out. We'll come across the midline of the body. Using pain as our guide, we feel a little bit of pain there. So we're going to start going into abduction, nice and slow, trying to get as big of a circle as possible while using pain as our guide. So there's pain there. I'm going to drop down, internally rotate the shoulder, coming around into extension, nice and slow. Again, just finding that pain and making the circle smaller to be able to go through that range. Nice and slow, coming back into extension, carving that circle out, coming up, finding the pain. Nice and slow, we have pain there. As we externally rotate, I can come a little bit higher. Pain there, we'll start coming down, cross the midline, and back down to our side. Again, you can continue to take your joint through its range even though you're in pain. Just use pain as the guide. The fastest way to recover from an injury is to keep moving that tissue and getting blood flow to it. Give it a shot.